This morning, there may be a large crypto and Shiba Inu sell-off that will significantly affect the value of the whole market, particularly SHIB tokens. So if you're interested in Shiba Inus or possess any SHIB tokens, you should definitely check this out. What's the most up-to-date information on Shiba Inu coins, and how will this affect their value? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and provide comprehensive coverage of Shiba Inu's latest exploits. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 12th before we get into our main point, shall we? Currently, one Shiba Inu is worth around $684, down 0.7% in the previous 24 hours, and there has been $78 million worth of transactions in Shibas in that time. With a market worth of almost $4 billion, the token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. Remember that by the time you see this video, pricing may have changed. Please conduct your own study into the crypto market before making any investments based on the information presented here, since it is not financial advice. The meat of today's video is up next. As the sell-off continues, the rate at which Shiba Inus are consumed by fire increases by 120%. Next steps. The cryptocurrency market as a whole has seen a significant correction, with tokens like Shiba Inu being hit particularly hard by the persistent negative sell-offs. Shiba Inu has managed to keep its burn rate positive despite the fact that thousands of tokens are being delivered to inactive wallets. Overnight, 97.4 million SHIB tokens were burned, putting the burn rate measure at 120% increase, as reported by Shiburn. In terms of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the burn rate characteristic is the only positive indicator that has shown any consistency over time, and so may have an underlying influence on the future worth of the asset. For investors following its progress, the rising scarcity of the average coin due to the removal of a constant number of tokens from circulation serves as a foundation for purchase. The consistency of this burn rate over the last several weeks is a key factor in SHIB's modest resilience in the face of the bear's ongoing sell-offs. It would mean the world to me if you were still watching to go ahead and click the like button. There is no cost to you, and your contribution will be much appreciated. Watch this space to learn what the future may contain for the Shiba Inu token and other Shiba Inu news. Stalemate among Shiba Inus. How did Coin become so weak recently? The last month has been a roller coaster of anxiety for Shiba and new investors alike, as the cryptocurrency's price has steadfastly stuck to a limited range. Traders and fans alike are scratching their brains about when the next big move may come after this prolonged period of inertia. The fact that prices have been moving in such a narrow range all day long is indicative of a lack of commitment on the part of buyers and sellers. Shiba Inu implications of a range-bound market. It's hard not to speculate on the consequences of this apparently fixed spectrum. It would not be unexpected to see SHIB test the lower echelons of this range, perhaps signaling an extension of its negative connotations, given the general crypto market's recent slide. SHIB's future is tied to the condition of the crypto market as a whole, which is now in a state of uncertainty. The emergence of a falling wedge pattern on the weekly chart of SHIB's price action indicates a continuation of the downtrend. Two trend lines converge to provide dynamic resistance and support in this pattern. While such patterns may indicate a bullish breakthrough is near, the current market attitude indicates that investors should proceed with caution. Lessening numbers of whales. A definition, please. The decrease in massive network transactions is another significant change in the SHIB ecosystem. One of the most idle times for the median currency, particularly in regards to the activities of its substantial holders, the number of noteworthy transactions on the SHIB network has dropped to a paltry 20. This rapid decrease in whale activity may have several causes. As Bitcoin's prominence within the cryptosphere grows, it's possible that investor enthusiasm for extremely volatile assets like SHIB is ebbing. Many investors seem to be rebalancing their portfolios away from riskier assets and towards more established ones as the leading cryptocurrency establishes its dominance. The decline in large-scale SHIB transactions may be attributable to this change in investor mood as market players look for more stability in their cryptocurrency holdings. The difficulties in SHIB's price trajectory are highlighted by the emergence of a falling wedge pattern and the decrease in major network transactions. The digital asset market is volatile, therefore SHIB holders and fans need to be alert and flexible. We've finally arrived to the meat of today's video. Shiba Inu sees unprecedented transaction volume of 4.48 quadrillion SHIB. Even as its price has fallen and its popularity has grown, Shiba Inu has managed to keep its network activity at a high level. A drop in the crypto market. Into the Block reports that on October 9, SHIB had a 24-hour transaction volume of $4.48 trillion. A day earlier, on October 8, volume had risen from $1.76 trillion to approximately $4.70 trillion. The sums point to an abundance of chain activity. New holders and Shiba are aggressively transferring cash. Increasing quantities of transactions may reflect either genuine trade or non-speculative circulation of tokens. In times of extreme volatility, it generally foretells impending trend reversals. There has been considerable selling pressure, and the data shows that SHIB holders are aggressively trading their tokens. In addition to probable accumulation by major investors, the increasing volume may indicate panic selling. This goes against the norm, which often sees a decrease in transaction activity during sell-offs. The fact that SHIB's network is able to handle huge volumes suggests persistence despite falling pricing. Constant volatility makes it hard to foresee where SHIB will trend in the near future, but the significant volume of trades executed on the chain suggests that investors are still paying close attention to the market. Persistently high transaction volumes may indicate the start of a rebound rally is near. For the time being, it seems that SHIB holders are unfazed by the current bearish market trend. The current state of affairs has the potential to trigger a worldwide economic downturn. Even if individuals start using cryptocurrencies as a hedge against fiat currencies, which is certainly possible, the crypto market will likely remain weak until the Bitcoin bubble bursts in 2024. Believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of SHIB, and many of our subscribers say they will not sell SHIB for the next 5 years and keep millions of them. What is the current count in your hands? Please share your SHIB holdings with the community by replying below. Let's applaud the holder of the SHIB for having faith in and confidence in the SHIB. The process of departing. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you're enjoying it, as well as subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin below. To be alerted whenever we upload a new video, please enable post notifications, but there are other projects worth investing in than SHIB. In reality, there are now 5 cryptocurrencies that have the potential to become overnight billionaires. Remember that by the time you see this video, pricing may have changed. Please conduct your own study into the crypto market before making any investments based on the information presented here, since it is not financial advice. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.